What's up everyone, this is Belgium Wala here, and today I'm here to talk about the golden opportunity in 2025 to move to Belgium. Just right now I saw the article, government article, that there are more than 100,000 jobs available in Belgium, and if you have been dreaming to come to Europe, work in Europe and living in Europe, so this is the best time that you can come to Europe. So in this video I will break down everything that you need to know, from the types of jobs available and the different websites from where you can apply and get the jobs. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first question is that why Belgium? There are 28 countries in Europe, and why we have to choose Belgium? You can go to France, Germany and other Norway, other countries, but why Belgium? So let me tell you. Belgium has one of the highest paid salaries in Europe. So quality of life, healthcare sector and hospitals is one of the best in Belgium that you can find, and you also get the support from the Belgium when you shift here, when you work here with your family. Also some travel perks also when you work in Belgium from the office. If you get selected in the IT department, so from the office you get the car from the office. So these are one of the perks that you can get. You can get the travel pass, like you can use tram, trains and buses with the travel pass when you travel inside the Belgium. So what's with the 100,000 jobs available in the Belgium is experiencing a shortage of skilled workers across various sectors, creating a unique opportunity for global talent. This labor shortage has led to the increased demand for professionals in fields such as accountancy, administration, architecture, engineer, IT, nursing and midwifery, project management, teaching, technical, commercial, sales and hospitality industries like chefs. How to get a job in Belgium? So first and foremost, for the job you need an application form. You need to apply for the job you are expert in, a CV, a cover letter that is relevant in the Dutch language. So Belgium has 4 regions. It's Brussels region, it's Flanders region, Wallonia and German community. So the thing is that each of the Belgium 4 regions has its own public employment office. You can receive professional career advice and search for jobs and training courses at Acritis, it's for Brussels, VDAB, it's for Flanders, and Le Forum, it's for Wallonia, and ADG is for the German communities. So if you open this site, Acritis for Brussels, so in this site you can see in front it's written that the jobs available is 34,175 jobs available. So you have to put your job name, your keywords, and you can use the filter on this site so that you can the job that you want. So the key is that if you really want the job, you have to keep applying for the job. It's like if you apply for the 100 job or 150 job, you will definitely end up with one job, and you can get the interview, or maybe they will hire you, they will do your visa and all the process for you. But this is the high time now that you can get the job, and once you end up with the job, the minimum salary in Belgium is around 2,000 euros per month. So it's one of the highest salaries in Belgium. It's one of the highest salaries in Europe. Maybe is the third or fourth highest salary in Europe. Let's say if you end up with a job in Belgium, so the best thing you can do, if you're coming from any other country, the best thing you can do, you can start learning some local phrases in Dutch or in French. So that can help you to that can help you in living here in Belgium. And the things that you can do, you can join the Facebook communities. You can look for if you look on Facebook in the group section, you can join these communities, and if you ask some questions, they can definitely help you if they know. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description below. If you have any other queries, you can ask it on the comment section. I will definitely reply to all the queries if you have any job related. I also help. I have already helped 3 to 4 candidates to get their visa. They always ask me on Instagram how we can do this, how we can do that. So I always reply to all the people and help them to get the visa free of. That's a free of cost. I don't charge anything. So if you have anything, you can definitely, without any hesitation, you can definitely comment on my video. So that's a wrap now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Belgium Wala. We are close to do 2,000 subscribers, and that's a big achievement for me. So don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Till then, see you with the next video. Take care. Bye bye.